How to use YouTube. Part A. Finding videos you are interested from home. Swipe down to find videos you are interested. Tap on the video you are interested. Part B. Liking or disliking videos and subscribing YouTube channel. Tap on like icon to like the video, tap again to undo. Tap on dislike icon to dislike the video, tap again to undo. Tap on subscribe to subscribe the channel, tap again and then tap on unsubscribe to undo. Part C. Minimizing the video and searching for specific videos. Tap and swipe down on the video to minimize the video. Tap on search icon. Search on the keywords you are interested. Tap on the keywords you are interested. Search and tap on the video you are interested. Part D. Commenting on a video. Tap on comment section. Tap on add a public comment. Type your comment. Tap on post. Searching videos from trending, categorized. Tap on explore. Tap on trending. Swipe right or left to trending videos in different categories.